This is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany, where I share daily financial wisdom and trendy market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. So, on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. One of the worst enemies of a trader is self doubt. And we're going to see how that is true because we need to be consistent traders and we need to have our core rules set where we won't have any doubts. We listen to the market at all times. So, as usual, our first rule of trading is to make sure you pay yourself. Second rule of trading is to drop that stop loss in at your entry point. Our third rule of trading is our 50 period simple moving average as our buy sell indicator. And our fourth rule of trading is patience. So flipping over to our charts with EUR USD. Now, this particular chart, it was at a rule number 3 for a very long time. The 50 period moving average has exited out of the danger zone. But unfortunately, the market has continued to pull back. So we're not going to place any buy trades at this time. We are going to be patient and wait. GBP USD. Rule number 3, no buy, no sell. USD CHF. This is a sell market, friends. We actually had a sell order in, but the market pulled back, hit our stop loss at our sell order, knocked us out the market, and so we're out of it for right now. We're not going to get in for right now because of the pullbacks that are happening. So we're just going to be patient. We're going to wait and see if the market will start heading south. But right now it's pulling back. USD JPY. Okay, rule number 3 is in effect: no buy, no sell. And then we're going to take a look at EUR CHF. This is also another rule number 3: no buy, no sell. EUR GBP. This is a sell market, friends, that we sold a while ago. I don't know, maybe a couple of weeks ago, a month ago, something like that. We placed our sell order. Things are heading south. We're seeing profits. Good looking trade. We're paying ourselves, and we have our stop loss in at our entry point. So make sure you pay yourself. EUR JPY. This is a buy market. We bought into this market as soon as that 50 period moving average exited out of the danger zone. We went ahead and placed our buy order, and so now we're experiencing the fruit of that decision, no doubts. Okay, make sure your stop loss is in at your entry point. GBP CHF. This is a sell market, friends. We placed our sell order in. Unfortunately, the market has pulled back on us, but the trend is still a sell market. So we're going to leave our sell trade in. We're just going to be patient and hope things will head south. Okay. GBP JPY. This is a buy market, which we bought a long time ago when that 50 period simple moving average moved out of the danger zone. We jumped into that market with our buy order. Been buying it ever since. It's been very profitable for us, friends. And we have our stop loss at our entry point, so our trade is protected, no loss. GBP JPY. And just a reminder, friends, when you have your stop loss in at your entry point, that in the event that things hit south, turn around on us, it'll hit our stop loss at our entry point, and there is no loss. Okay. So GBP JPY, a buy market. We've been buying this for quite a while. When that 50 period moving average moved out of the danger zone, we jumped into that market with our buy order and been very profitable for us. We're on autopilot. Most of our trades, we are on autopilot. We just come back every day and we pay ourselves. CHF JPY. Another beautiful buy market that we are in. We got in when that 50 period moving average moved out of the danger zone. We jumped in with both feet. We've been riding this trend and our trade is protected. Okay, so now we're going to move over to our oil markets. Okay, friends, so all of these markets are sale markets. That goes for Brent crude, Brent spot, WTI crude, and WTI spot. All of those markets are sale markets. All of those markets are pulling back. So we're just hanging out. We're being patient. The market will tell us if we need to change up again. We were in this market before with a buy order, but it never hit our buy order. And then the trend changed. So we adjust. If the trend says change, we change. Okay. And we just wait for the market to respond according to that trend. Okay. Bitcoin. Rule number 3 is in effect for Bitcoin. Okay. ETH USD is another rule number 3, no buy, no sell. And LTC USD is also another rule number 3 market. Okay, let's take a look at our silver market. That has been a buy market for a very long time. We bought into this market November of last year. We've been riding this trend all the way up. Just paying ourselves every day. Our trade is protected. We're on autopilot. So we just skim off the top and pay ourselves every day. Now, if your account size is large enough, you have the luxury to do that. You're able to skim off the top, take a lot every single day, and pay yourselves. That's if you have pretty large account balance. But if you don't, please do not do that. Your lot size need to be appropriate to your account size. Okay. Now let's take a look at the gold market. This is a buy market, friends. We placed our buy order in, but the market has never rallied to even hit our buy order. It has continued to pull back. So we just leave our buy order in there, buy stop order in there. In the event the market will rally, if it rallies, we are in position. But for right now, we're just going to be patient and we wait. We don't have to worry or stress. The market will tell us what will happen next, okay? What to do next. Okay, USD, MXN. Sell market all the way. We've been selling this for a very long time. Very, very long time. Like I mentioned before, these trends can last up from 6 months to 2 years. You get in early, friends, and you can ride these trends all the way up or all the way down, okay? And enjoy the fruitage of that by skimming off the top and paying yourselves. And then you have your stop loss in at your entry point, and so your trade is protected from any and all loss. Okay, EURZAR. This is a beautiful buy market. We've been in this market for several months, and we've just been riding the trend all the way up and paying ourselves. Can't get any better than that. USD NOK. Okay, friends, this is also a buy market. We were in this market once upon a time. It hit our stop loss and our entry point knocked us out. We haven't gotten back in, but hopefully, if we get back in, we'll put like a buy stop order in there. So hopefully you have your buy order in. If not, go ahead and drop in a buy stop order. USD SEK. Rule number 3: no buy, no sell. USD SGD. This is, friends, is a sell market here. Now we have 2 sell trades in this market. We have a sell trade that we placed last year sometime, very profitable for us, and we placed our sell trade. We placed another sell trade in here. Unfortunately, the market has been pulling back on us, so we're just going to have to wait. This is still a strong sell market, so we're going to hold the course, keep that sell order in there. So what's going to happen is going to be 1 or 2 things that's going to happen with the pullbacks that are happening. It will either create a trend change because it will continue to pull back, and will create a trend change. And in that event, we will go ahead and pull our sell order out, take our minor loss. We will go ahead and reposition to the and drop a trade in based off the trend, and we will make our money back. So we probably take losses maybe 2-3 times a month, which is no big deal because we pay ourselves every day. Okay. USD ZAR. This is a buy market, beautiful buy market. We're enjoying taking some skimming off the top of this market. And we have our stop loss in CAD, CHF. This is a beautiful sell mark. We've been in this market for a very, very long time, probably June of last year, almost a year. And it just shows you how long these trends can last. And we just skim off the top, okay? And our trades protected. CAD, JPY. This is a sell market. We got into paying ourselves. Now, for everyone else who did not get an opportunity to get into this market, rule number 3 is in effect: no buy, no sell. EURCAD. This is a beautiful buy market. Been in this for a very long time, long time. So we're just paying ourselves, skimming off the top. You do make sure that stop loss is in there. And I can't I can't reiterate that enough for you. GBPCAD, another buy market we bought in very long time ago, and we're just skimming off the top, enjoying the proceeds every day from these markets, okay? And our trades protected. USD Okay, friends, we have 2 trades going on here. We have a buy trade that we placed long time ago when the market was trending buy. Now we have, so we've been enjoying that. We are paying ourselves off of that very nicely. But now the trend has changed to a sell market. So we placed our sell order in here. The market's pulling back a little bit on us, but it is still a sell market as of right now. So be patient. AUD, This, friends, is a sell market we got into very, very early on. Now, for everyone else who had not had an opportunity to get into this market, you can go ahead and place your sell stop order in now. The 50-period moving average has moved out of the danger zone, so go ahead and take advantage and drop in a sell stop order, okay? And once that trade takes off in your favor, pay yourself and drop in a stop loss at your entry point. AUD, CHF. Another sell market we got in on, been selling ever since, paying ourselves every day on. AUD, JPY. This is a sell market, another sell market we got in early on, paying ourselves. Now, everyone else who did not get into that market, rule number 3, you missed your window, okay? AUD, NZD. Now, this is a sell market too, and we actually had a sell order in this market. We made a little money on this market as well, but then the market pulled back on us. And because we had our stop loss in at our entry point, when the market pulled back, it actually knocked us out with no loss, okay? And the market is still continuing to pull back. So we're not going to drop in another sell order as of yet, so stay out of that market. And it just shows because of that happens so much when these markets are pulling back. We're having you protect yourself, pay yourself, and immediately drop that stop loss in at your entry point. It's all to protect you. The reason why we take losses is because we're not Johnny on the spot. When the market starts to rally in our favor, sometimes we forget to drop that stop loss in at our entry point, and we get bitten. So, but those are mistakes that you can be Johnny on the spot on. You know, sometimes you're not. You're going to have to take some minor losses. We all do. Okay. We try to keep those losses to a minimum, no more than 2-3 times a month. Okay. Our win ratio is probably 7 out of 10 times. You're never probably going to be 10 out of 10 times. Okay. 7 out of 10 times. AUD, USD. This is a sell market, friends. We actually had our sell order in here. It pulled back, hit our stop loss at our entry point, knocked us out. But now the market is heading south again, friends. So we're going to drop in another sell stop order. And so that's the good thing about this, friends, is that, we placed a sell order. The market pulled back, knocked us out. But then the market headed south again. And so you always get, it behooves us to go ahead and err on the side of safety, because sometimes the market will continue to pull back, but sometimes the market will come back down again and the market will start to head south according to the trend. And so we get back in. So there's nothing wrong with, sometimes we get knocked out the market, but we always come back and we can always place another order. Okay. That's no big deal. It's no big deal if you get knocked out the market. We come back. If the market starts to head back down south again, we go ahead and put in another sell order. And that's what we're going to do today. Okay. So we're going to look at EUR AUD. This is a buy market. We bought into this market November of last year, been buying ever since, paying ourselves, and our trade is protected. EUR NZD. This is a buy market here. Because of the pullbacks that are happening, it knocked us out the market. But we're not going to get back into this market as of right now with another buy order because of the pullbacks. And so, friends, a little bit about these pullbacks is that there are a lot of different strings that are pulling on these countries' currencies, the currency market. And we as traders are not privy to all the ins and outs and happenings of what's happening in these countries. But what we are privy to is the chart that's in front of us. Everything, all the information is built into the chart. Everything we need to know about what's happening in the country and how to trade that is built into our chart. So if the market says that this is a buy market, it's a buy market because it has the information, has gathered all the information into the charts. If the market it says it's sell, then it's sell, and we trust that. Okay, and that is how we trade. GBP AUD. Okay, friends, this is a buy market. If you want to go ahead and put in a buy stop order, we weren't in it. We had gotten in and gotten out, gotten in, gotten out. But we're going to go ahead and place another buy stop order in. Looks like things are starting to rally, and so we want to take advantage of that rally. Go ahead and drop in a buy stop order. GBP NZD. This is a buy market as well. We have our buy order in, and we're just waiting to see if the market will rally in our favor. NZD CAD. This is also a buy market. We got in very early on. So we're just on cruise control right now, paying ourselves. Now, everyone else who is not currently in that market, no buy, no sell. You missed your window. NZD CHF, a sell market. We've been selling for a while, paying ourselves nicely on. Make sure you pay yourselves, okay? NZD JPY. This is a buy market, friends. We placed our buy order in here. Market never did rally. It's just continue to pull back. Never hit our buy orders, pulling back. But right now, rule number 3 is in effect. So we're going to probably just go ahead and pull out our buy stop order since rule number 3 is in effect. Okay. NZD USD. Rule number 3, US 30 index, or the Dow Jones, is also rule number 3. And the S&P 500 chart is also rule number 3. US Tech Index is also another rule number 3 market. So these rule number 3 markets, we have this rule because sometimes the markets can get very, very erratic, and we like to stay out of erratic markets. It helps cut down on losses when the markets are too erratic. We like to trade when there's calmer situations. Okay, I guess that's a way to say it. So anyway, that is what the rule number 3 is, to keep us out of the danger zone, very erratic markets. Okay. Now, Japan index, this is a buy market. We placed our buy order as soon as that 50 period moved out of that danger zone. That's when we jumped in, and it's been a very profitable trade for us. Okay. Now let's take a look at DE30 index. This, okay, friends, we were in this market. Is a buy market, and we had our stop loss and our entry point. So when the market pulled back on us, it knocked us out the market with no loss. We made some money and we didn't lose any. Best thing ever. Okay. UK 100 index. This is also a buy market. We have our buy order in, but the market has fallen, never did hit our buy order. So we're just being patient. It is still buy market. We're going to let the market tell us what to do next. It's either the market is going to rally, or the market's going to continue to pull back. The trend's going to change, and we will adjust with the trend. Okay. So, friends, that will end our chart analysis for today. We will be back tomorrow to end the week with more daily financial wisdom and trending market analysis.